Welcome back to SK Car Reviews. Today we're diving into something absolutely extraordinary. Something that combines the thrill of Italian performance with the luxury of a five-star suite on wheels. Imagine the passion, elegance, and engineering excellence of Ferrari, now reimagined into the ultimate motorhome for 2026 and 2027. This is the Ferrari Motorhome, a revolutionary creation that takes the concept of luxury travel to a whole new level. From the very first glance, the Ferrari Motorhome commands attention. It doesn't just arrive, it makes an entrance. The front fascia carries Ferrari's unmistakable DNA, with sleek LED matrix headlights, an aggressive grille design, and sculpted aerodynamic lines that look as though they've been shaped by the wind itself. Every curve serves a purpose, blending form and function in true Ferrari fashion. The signature Rosso Corsa paint immediately reminds you of Ferrari's racing heritage, but buyers can also choose from an exclusive palette of custom colors, including Nero Daytona, Grigio Silverstone, and Blue Tour de France. Carbon fiber accents are integrated throughout the exterior, from the side skirts to the mirror housings, adding a touch of motorsport-inspired sophistication. Stretching over 40 feet in length, the Ferrari Motorhome is massive, yet its proportions remain beautifully balanced. The large panoramic windshield offers commanding visibility, while the flush-mounted windows and retractable awnings maintain a clean, streamlined profile. At night, ambient exterior lighting illuminates the ground beneath, creating an unmistakably premium presence wherever you park. The alloy wheels deserve special attention. These are not ordinary RV wheels. Ferrari has equipped this motorhome with bespoke 24-inch forged aluminum wheels, wrapped in high-performance all-season tires. Red brake calipers peek through the spokes, reminding everyone that this machine carries the spirit of Maranello. Step inside and the Ferrari Motorhome transforms from impressive to breathtaking. The cabin is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, blending Italian artistry with cutting-edge technology. Every surface feels meticulously crafted, from the hand-stitched leather upholstery to the open-pore carbon fiber trim and brushed aluminum accents. The living area is spacious, airy, and incredibly inviting. Ferrari designers have created an environment that feels more like a luxury penthouse than a motorhome. Floor-to-ceiling windows flood the interior with natural light, while electronically adjustable privacy glass allows complete seclusion when desired. The seating is upholstered in premium poltrona frau leather, offering exceptional comfort for long journeys. Heated, ventilated, and massaging captain's chairs swivel effortlessly to integrate with the lounge area. A retractable 8K OLED entertainment system rises silently from the cabinetry, paired with a premium Burmester surround sound system that delivers concert hall acoustics. The kitchen is equally spectacular. Featuring marble countertops, soft close cabinetry, and integrated appliances, it includes an induction cooktop, convection oven, wine cooler, and a full-size smart refrigerator. Ferrari has even incorporated voice-activated controls for lighting, climate, and appliances, ensuring effortless convenience. Moving toward the rear, the Master Suite showcases Ferrari's commitment to ultimate luxury. The king-size bed features memory foam construction, premium Italian linens, and adjustable positioning. Ambient lighting can be customized to suit any mood, while hidden storage compartments maximize practicality without compromising style. The ensuite bathroom rivals those found in luxury hotels. A rainfall shower, heated flooring, dual vanities, and premium fixtures create a spa-like experience on the road. Ferrari has paid attention to every detail, right down to the embroidered towels and bespoke toiletries. Technology is everywhere. A fully integrated smart home system allows control of virtually every function through a central touchscreen or smartphone app. Solar panels on the roof supplement the power system, while advanced battery storage ensures extended off-grid capability. Now, let's talk performance, because this is where the Ferrari Motorhome truly separates itself from anything else on the market. Under the hood lies a specially developed twin-turbocharged V8 hybrid powertrain, producing an astonishing 1,050 horsepower and over 1,200 pound-feet of torque. This is without question the most powerful motorhome ever created. Power is delivered through an advanced all-wheel drive system and a rapid-shifting 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. Yes, a dual-clutch gearbox in a motorhome. Only Ferrari would dare. Despite its size, the Ferrari Motorhome can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.9 seconds. That's faster than many sports cars. Top speed is electronically limited to 155 miles per hour, though finding a campground that allows such enthusiasm may be difficult. Ferrari's engineers have developed an adaptive air suspension system specifically for this platform. It constantly monitors road conditions, adjusting damping and ride height in real time. The result is a driving experience that feels remarkably composed, whether cruising on the highway or navigating winding mountain roads. Rear-wheel steering enhances maneuverability, making parking in tight turns surprisingly manageable for a vehicle of this size. Carbon ceramic brakes provide immense stopping power, inspiring confidence even under demanding conditions. Fuel efficiency, while not the primary concern for buyers in this segment, is respectable thanks to hybrid assistance. Expect approximately 18 miles per gallon, which is impressive considering the Ferrari Motorhome's performance and dimensions. Safety has not been overlooked. The motorhome comes equipped with Ferrari's latest suite of driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane centering assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. For long-distance touring, Ferrari offers a semi-autonomous driving mode, capable of handling highway cruising with minimal driver input. It's the perfect companion for cross-country adventures. Storage capacity is immense. Multiple cargo compartments, including a climate-controlled garage, provide ample room for luggage, sports equipment, or even a compact Ferrari sports car. Yes, the rear garage can be configured to transport a Ferrari SF90 or 296 GTB. Luxury options are virtually limitless. Buyers can specify private office configurations, rooftop lounges, outdoor entertainment kitchens, and even onboard wine cellars. Ferrari's tailor-made program ensures that no two motorhomes are exactly alike. Now let's address the all-important question: price. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome starts at approximately $4.8 million. Solely optioned examples can easily exceed $7 million, depending on customization and exclusive features. That may sound extraordinary, but this is not merely transportation. It's a statement, a lifestyle, and a masterpiece of engineering. For ultra-high net worth buyers seeking the ultimate expression of automotive luxury, the Ferrari Motorhome exists in a class entirely of its own. Ownership includes exclusive Ferrari concierge services, dedicated global support, and access to invitation-only events around the world. Ferrari even offers personalized delivery experiences at Maranello, where owners can tour the factory and collaborate directly with designers. Maintenance is handled through Ferrari's specialized service network, with technicians trained specifically for this unique vehicle. Comprehensive warranty coverage provides peace of mind for years to come. In terms of competition, there really isn't any. Traditional luxury motorhomes from brands like Prevost and Newmar are impressive, but none carry Ferrari's pedigree, performance, or exclusivity. The Ferrari Motorhome represents the future of luxury travel. It combines supercar excitement, private jet refinement, and yacht-level craftsmanship into one astonishing package. Whether parked trackside at Monaco, overlooking the Amalfi Coast, or cruising across America's most scenic highways, this motorhome ensures every journey becomes an unforgettable experience. It's bold, it's innovative, and it's unmistakably Ferrari. For enthusiasts, collectors, and luxury travelers, the Ferrari Motorhome is more than a vehicle. It's the realization of a dream few ever imagined possible. So what do you think about Ferrari entering the world of ultra-luxury motorhomes? Would you choose this over a private jet or super yacht? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest automotive content. Thanks for watching SK Car Reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.